After they overcame many difficult problems, Jolly and the goats finally made it safely off the lily pad. They passed the Elder Frog's test. But what new adventures are waiting for the goats and Jolly in the village?
Pleasant Goat and Big Wolf, Great War in the Bizarre World, Episode 16.
So this is what you've been doing?
That's right, this task of ours was set up by the heavens.
The heavens?
Well, how about we lend you a hand, Elder Frog?
Just you goats?
Huh? Yeah, why? What's the problem?
Well, thank you for that. We do appreciate your offer.
Elder Frog, we may not be very big, but we can still use our tools.
Tools?
Yeah, we've got the right tools! 1, 2, 3, push it! 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 Get him! Push it! Come on! Push it! Rabbit.
Wow, we finally finished it.
Morning, Tartan. Your altar is finished now.
Great, you did well. With this altar finally built, I can now cook all the frogs for dinner. I can regain all the power I lost before. And also, my laugh will be even louder. Throw all these frogs in and make me some nice soup. What's this rubbish I'm looking at? It's a mess.
But, Darton, you wanted a pot. And we didn't have any plans.
Didn't I tell you before? Call me boss. And also, you better hurry and make me a new pot in 3 days, or else!
You told me to call you Darton.
With my great brains and leadership, the altar's finally finished. Don't I always have the best ideas? Why do I have the strange feeling that something's wrong here? Is Darton nearby or something?
All right, listen up, you useless frogs. Look at this mess you made now. Everything's all wrong. I order you to rebuild it. Start again.
Forgive us, Almighty. Please don't be angry. But it was you who asked us to build this altar.
Quiet, you. If I say it's your fault, it's your fault. Build me another one in 3 days. If it's not done by then,
What are you laughing at, you incomplete egg? I'll put a curse on you. Hey, out there, you interrupt me, I'll put a curse on you.
These are plans. But oh my, how can we do this in 3 days? What should we do now?
How dare you knock me over? Okay, beg me then. Maybe when I've heard enough, I'll decide to help and save you. Let me see that. Oh, I think I may have an idea. So you dare to ignore me? Well, then I'm putting a curse on you. Don't worry, everybody. I've got a great idea.
Well, let's start. What's wrong?
We don't have any more stone.
That's not a problem at all. We can find some more. Let's go.
Oh, wow.
I found some! I found some stones! Yeah, guys!
Huh?
Woohoo! Oh!
Well, where's the stone? Show it to us.
Oh. Look!
Yeah. This is no time for fooling around, Patty.
Oh, we're all so doomed now. We'll be punished for sure.
Oh yeah, I've got it. I have an idea to make those frogs work harder.
Don't think I don't know you're talking behind my back.
No, boss, I'm really not.
You think my idea's bad, so you're making a new one? And call me Darton in the future. Don't get it wrong.
How can I be wrong again?
What are we gonna do? I don't know.
If we can't find stone, what'll we do?
Oh, I know. Let's dig a hole and see if we can find stone.
No, be quiet. Listen to my idea.
It's your fault. I know it's you.